The 1929 Auburn Cabin Speedster remains one of the most intriguing American show cars of its era. Conceived not as a production model, but as a dramatic attention-getter for auto shows, it showcased what Auburn engineers and designers could imagine when freed from cost limits and manufacturing constraints. The car originated in 1928 on an Auburn 8-90 chassis and carried a 115 horsepower Lycoming straight 8. Its body, likely influenced by Auburn designer Alan Leamy and built by Griswold of Detroit, used aluminum panels over an ashwood frame. This construction was common for one-off prototypes, since stamping steel panels would have required prohibitively expensive tooling. The design blended a streamlined boat-tail rear with a fully enclosed coupe body, an unusual combination that emphasized speed and elegance while eliminating the rumble seat found on many sport models. The Cabin Speedster appeared first at the New York Auto Show, then traveled west to Los Angeles for the 1929 Automobile Show. Disaster followed. On March 5th, a spark ignited the massive exhibition tent. Within half an hour, the tent and roughly 320 vehicles, including the sole Cabin Speedster, were destroyed. The car instantly became legend, admired, briefly seen, and gone. The story might have ended there, but decades later, Indiana dentist and collector Dr. Peter Kesling set out to revive the lost show car. Working from period photographs, original body drawings preserved by Auburn historian Randy Emma, and even small toy replicas produced in the 1930s by Barclay Manufacturing, Kesling commissioned an exacting recreation between 1983 and 1985. Craftsmen built an ash frame and aluminum body like the original and assembled a chassis from two 1929 Auburn frame sections, cleverly joined, one inverted, to lower the car by 6 inches. The finished replica carried the same straight 8 engine and 121-inch wheelbase as the show car. Reports suggest that 2 replicas were ultimately produced, with at least one now displayed at the Auburn Cord Duesenberg Museum in Auburn, Indiana. There it serves as both artifact and reconstruction, evidence of the imaginative peak of late 1920s American design and a reminder of how fragile automotive history can be. From a burned show tent to museum display, the Auburn Cabin Speedster has evolved from publicity vehicle to cult icon, preserving the vision of a car that never truly reached production, yet still commands fascination today.